Circular saws are versatile and indispensable tools in the world of woodworking and construction, known for their ability to make precise and efficient cuts through a variety of materials. In this video of the best circular saws, we will delve into the key characteristics that set them apart from the rest, from their advanced cutting mechanisms to ergonomic designs and safety features. These saws are designed to meet the demanding needs of professionals while also being accessible to those embarking on DIY projects. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Circular Saw. Hey folks, I recently got my hands on the DEWALT 20V Max Circular Saw, BCS391B, and I thought I'd share my thoughts on this little beast. This circular saw is designed for those looking for a powerful, durable, and versatile tool. It's especially aimed at people who work with wood and need precision and efficiency. Some of its highlighted features include a 5150 RPM motor, a high-strength magnesium shoe, and a 0 to 50 degree bevel capacity. The saw has a lightweight magnesium shoe, which, I must say, is both strong and ensures longevity. Plus, the optimized rubber over molded comfort grip is a real bonus. It gives you that perfect balance and control while cutting, making sure your hand doesn't tire out too quickly. This powerful motor ensures that demanding cuts are a breeze. For those thick wooden boards, you'll slice through them like butter. With a 0 to 50 degree range, you can make aggressive bevel cuts for diverse applications. This is great for those unique project requirements. This blade can handle double the material at both 90 and 45 degrees. This means fewer blade changes and more efficient cutting. Pros: high RPM for smooth cuts, lightweight yet durable design, optimal grip for comfortable use. Cons: being a bare tool. Number 2. SKIL 15 amp 7 to a quarter inch circular saw. I recently got my hands on the SKIL 15 amp 7 to a quarter inch circular saw with single beam laser guide, 5280 to 2001, and I must say, it's been a game changer in my woodworking projects. This circular saw from SKIL is packed with impressive features that make it a reliable tool for both beginners and seasoned DIY enthusiasts. The SKIL 5280 to 2001 boasts a powerful 15 amp motor that delivers an impressive 300 RPM, making it an absolute beast when it comes to cutting through wood. Whether you're working on a simple home repair project or a complex woodworking task, this circular saw won't disappoint. The circular saw's design is not just aesthetically pleasing but also highly functional. The 51 degrees bevel capacity with a positive stop at 45 degrees offers a wide range of cutting options, allowing you to tackle various angles and bevel cuts with ease. This may seem like a small detail, but it makes a significant difference in precision and safety. The safety features of the SKIL 5280 to 2001 are top-notch. The safety lock/guarded trigger and power-on indicator minimize accidental starts, giving you peace of mind during operation. SKIL has clearly prioritized user safety in the design. This circular saw is a versatile workhorse. It excels at cutting wood, making it ideal for carpentry, flooring installation, and more. The 15 amp motor ensures that it doesn't bog down even when cutting through thicker materials. Pros: powerful 15 amp motor for fast cuts, laser guide for precision, durable high carbon steel blade, easy blade changes with spindle lock, dust blower for improved visibility, safety features to prevent accidents. Cons: corded electric power source. Number 3. ENVENTOR Corded 10A Circular Saw. I recently got my hands on the ENVENTOR Corded 10A Circular Saw, and I must say, it's been a game changer for my DIY projects. This powerful 7¼ inch circular saw is designed to make your cutting tasks a breeze. It feels robust and durable, ready to tackle even the toughest cutting jobs. The 10 amp motor delivers a whopping 800 RPM, ensuring swift and efficient cuts through various materials like laminate flooring, wood, plastics, PVC pipe, and plasterboard. It makes aligning your cuts a breeze, resulting in precise and straight lines. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, this feature alone can significantly improve the quality of your projects. The scale guide further enhances accuracy, making this circular saw ideal for both indoor and outdoor DIY endeavors. The ENVENTOR circular saw boasts an adjustable cutting depth, with a maximum depth of 2 7/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 13/16 inches at 45 degrees. This versatility allows you to handle a wide range of cutting tasks with ease. Whether you're working on a home renovation project or tackling a new woodworking venture, this circular saw has got you covered. Another essential feature is the double protection switch. Safety is paramount when working with power tools, and this saw ensures just that. The dual action switch mechanism prevents accidental starts, giving you peace of mind while you work. It's a small but significant detail that adds an extra layer of safety. Pros: powerful 10-amp motor for fast cuts, laser guide for precise alignment, adjustable cutting depth for versatility, double protection switch for safety, includes 2 blades and accessories, 12-month warranty. Cons: not the lightest circular saw in its class. Number 4. SKIL 20V 6.5-inch cordless circular saw. Being a DIY enthusiast, I've always had a thing for tools that offer efficiency, reliability, and ease of use. The SKIL 20V 6.5-inch cordless circular saw promises all of that and more. Designed primarily for cutting wood, its features like the long-lasting battery, fast and clean cuts, and quick bevel adjustment grabbed my attention right off the bat. The multicolored finish gives the tool a professional yet lively appearance. Made with high-speed steel blades, it feels robust in the hand and looks built to last. Its ergonomic grip ensures that even during prolonged usage, you won't feel that uncomfortable strain on your hand. The weight distribution is balanced, allowing for steady cuts. One of the standout features of this saw is its battery. With the innovative temperature management system, the battery remains cool, ensuring consistent power throughout the project. Equipped with a 24-teeth blade, the saw guarantees fast and pristine cuts. This feature was particularly impressive as it reduced the manual finishing I had to do post-cutting. These two combined are a boon for those aiming for precision. While the saw line visor assists in maintaining straight cuts, the bevel adjustment ranging from 0 to 50 degrees offers flexibility in the cutting angles. Pros: efficient battery with excellent temperature management, precise cuts with saw line visor, quick and versatile bevel adjustment. Cons: might be a tad heavy for some users. Number 5. HYCHIKA Electric Circular Saw. The electric circular saw by HYCHIKA is designed with the modern craftsman in mind, offering precision, power, and comfort all in one compact tool. This nifty gadget isn't just a regular circular saw, it comes packed with features that can cater to a myriad of cutting needs. From wood and soft metals to tiles and plastics, the first thing you notice about the HYCHIKA saw is its eye-catching green hue. But it's not just about aesthetics. The device feels solid and is made with high-quality metal blades. The corded electric power source means no fussing over batteries or decreased power over time. The rubber handle ensures that even in intense sessions, hand fatigue is minimized. Also, the slim grip ensures that users can maintain precision without compromising on comfort. With a robust 6.2 amps copper motor roaring at 3,500 RPM, this saw isn't playing games. The 3 included blades extend the range of the saw's applications, making it versatile for various tasks. Pros: powerful motor for its size, multiple blades included, effective dust management system, safety features to prevent accidental startups. Cons: being corded,